Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to whip up a delicious vegetable stir-fry that's not only healthy, but also packed with flavor. So, let's get started. First, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large skillet. Then, add 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced bell pepper, 1 sliced zucchini, 1 julienne carrot, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Stir-fry these veggies until they're tender and slightly charred. Next, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir everything together to combine the flavors. Finally, garnish your vegetable stir-fry with some fresh cilantro, and voila! You've got a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for a weeknight dinner or a healthy lunch. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Happy cooking!